mga nangangalakal, may mga nagsisimba specifically sa Quiapo Church and sa Santa Cruz Church. Pero mas marami ata sa Quiapo Church compared to Santa Cruz Church. Pero actually, you can do a lot of things there kasi malapit din doon yung Draon, yung Binondo. So it's a very nice place to do more things. Kung gusto mong bumili ng something na mura, just go there, specifically sa Carriedo or bandang Divisoria area. So that's why I went there, and I took a lot of shots na very interesting. There's a lot of stories out there na you can capture using your own camera or kahit cellphone. You can do whatever you want. So and with this photos,